Let us look at angle of intersection of two curves. So two curves, R1 is equal to f theta and R2 is equal to g of theta. So let's say this is f of theta and this is g of theta. So this is R1, this is R2. R1 and R2 intersect at P. Draw a tangent T1 to R1 through P. So we can say at P, draw a tangent to R1. This is the tangent. Similarly, draw a tangent T2 to R2 through P. Okay? Now, T1 and T2 form angles beta 1 and beta 2 with the radius vector R. Okay, let's bring in the radius vector and let's mark beta 1 and beta 2. So beta 1 and beta 2. We have an angle between T1 and T2. Angle of intersection between R1 and R2 is alpha. So let's mark the angle alpha. Now remember, this is, let's say, theta, and this is gamma 2, and this is gamma 1. Gamma 1 is the angle formed by the tangent 1 with respect to the x-axis, and gamma 2 is the angle formed by the tangent 2 or T2 with the x-axis. So which means alpha is equal to the absolute value of beta 2 minus beta 1. So here, if you notice, beta 1 is greater than beta 2. So because of the absolute value, we will get a positive difference. Okay, now if T1 is equal to T2, what does that mean? It means that T1 and T2 are lying on top of each other. Then beta 1 will be equal to beta 2, which implies alpha is equal to 0. What happens if T1 is perpendicular to T2? Then alpha is equal to pi by 2, which means beta 2 minus beta 1 is equal to pi by 2. Make sure that we take the absolute value. So beta 2 is equal to pi by 2 plus beta 1. Now taking tan on both sides, we get tan beta 2 is equal to tan pi by 2 plus beta 1. So tan beta 2 is equal to, now tan pi by 2 plus beta 1 is equal to minus cot beta 1, which can be written as a reciprocal of tan. That is minus cot beta 1 is equal to minus 1 by tan beta 1. So tan beta 2 is equal to minus 1 by tan beta 1. So finally we can say tan beta 1 times tan beta 2 is equal to minus 1. Here in all this, critical thing is the angle of intersection of two curves is alpha, which is equal to the absolute value of beta 2 minus beta 1. That was angle of intersection of two curves. Let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now. Bye.